9 currencies that are stronger than the US dollar. In the complex world of finance and international trade, currencies play a pivotal role. The strength of a currency often reflects a nation's economic stability, resources, and global influence. As of now, the Kuwaiti Dinar holds the title of the strongest currency in the world, followed closely by several others that represent both emerging and established economies. This video delves into the top 9 strongest currencies, exploring their origins, economic contexts, and significance on the global stage. Disclaimer: exchange rate may change over time. Number 9. Euro. The euro occupies the 9th position among the world's strongest currencies, with an exchange rate of €1 equating to about 1.08 USD. As the official currency of the Eurozone, which comprises 20 of the 27 European Union member states, the euro entered circulation in 2002. The euro is a free-floating currency, influenced by economic performance across the Eurozone, interest rates set by the European Central Bank, and geopolitical factors. The Eurozone represents a significant portion of global trade, and the euro's strength reflects the economic stability and interconnectedness of its member countries. Number 8. Swiss franc. With a long-standing reputation as a safe haven currency, the Swiss franc ranks 8th in strength, with an exchange rate of 1 Swiss franc to about 1.11 USD. The official currency of Switzerland and Liechtenstein, the Swiss franc has been in circulation since 1850. It was briefly pegged to the euro but later transitioned to a free-floating model. Switzerland's political stability, strong banking sector, and diversified economy contribute to the franc's strength. The country is known for its high standard of living, innovation, and robust financial regulations, making it an attractive destination for investors. Number 7. Cayman Islands dollar. The Cayman Islands dollar is the 7th strongest currency, with an exchange rate of 1 KYD buying around 1.20 USD. The Cayman Islands, a British territory in the Caribbean, is recognized as an offshore financial center. The KYD was introduced in the 1970s and is pegged to the US dollar, which provides stability in a region that is heavily reliant on tourism and financial services. The Cayman Islands has developed a reputation for its favorable regulatory environment, attracting numerous businesses and investors seeking tax advantages. This influx of capital and the strategic economic policies of the territory help sustain the value of its currency. Number 6. Gibraltar pound. Tied with the British pound in strength is the Gibraltar pound, also valued at approximately 1.26 USD. Gibraltar, a British territory at the southern tip of Spain, introduced its currency in the 1920s. The Gibraltar pound is pegged at par to the British pound, ensuring stability and confidence among its users. Despite its small size, Gibraltar has developed a robust economy, largely supported by tourism, online gaming, and financial services. The stability of the GIP is closely linked to the performance of the GBP, reflecting the interconnectedness of global financial systems. Number 5. British pound. The British pound. Sterling holds the 5th position among the world's strongest currencies, with an exchange rate of 1 GBP buying about 1.26 USD. The UK's economy is the 6th largest globally by gross domestic product GDP, as per the World Bank. The pound has a long history, first introduced in the 1400s, and underwent decimalization in 1971. As a free-floating currency, the pound is influenced by various factors, including economic performance, political stability, and interest rates. The UK's established financial markets and diverse economy contribute to the pound's resilience against global currency fluctuations. Number 4. Jordanian Dinar. The Jordanian dinar ranks as the 4th strongest currency, with an exchange rate of 1 JOD to approximately 1.41 USD. Unlike its oil-rich neighbors, Jordan is less dependent on oil and gas exports. The country's economy has faced challenges, including slow growth and rising debt levels. Nevertheless, the Jordanian dinar, introduced in 1950, has remained pegged to the US dollar, helping to stabilize its value in fluctuating economic conditions. Jordan's economy relies heavily on tourism, remittances, and foreign aid. Despite its geographical and economic challenges, the country has demonstrated resilience, maintaining the strength of its currency through prudent fiscal policies and economic reforms. Number 3. Omani Rial. In third place is the Omani Rial, with an exchange rate of 1 OMR equating to approximately 2.60 USD. Oman, situated between the United Arab Emirates and Yemen, has also leveraged its oil resources for economic growth. The Omani Rial was introduced in the 1970s and is pegged to the US dollar, mirroring the approach of other Gulf nations. Oman's economy is notable for its efforts to diversify beyond oil. The government has invested in infrastructure, tourism, and renewable energy, aiming to create a more sustainable economic model. This diversification helps support the value of the rial, making it a stable currency within the region. Number 2. Bahraini Dinar. Following closely is the Bahraini Dinar, the second strongest currency in the world, with an exchange rate of 1 BHD to about 2.65 USD. Bahrain, an island nation located in the Persian Gulf, relies heavily on oil and gas exports to sustain its economy. The Bahraini dinar was introduced in 1965 and has since been pegged to the US dollar, offering stability and predictability for investors and traders. Bahrain's economy, although smaller than its neighbors, has diversified over the years, with significant developments in banking and financial services. Its strategic location and business-friendly environment have attracted foreign investments, further solidifying the value of its currency. Number 1. Kuwaiti Dinar. The Kuwaiti Dinar reigns as the strongest currency globally, with an impressive exchange rate of 1 Kuwaiti Dinar to approximately 3.25 US dollars, meaning that 1 US dollar equals around 0.31 Kuwaiti dinars. This remarkable strength is largely attributed to Kuwait's vast oil reserves and its position as a leading global oil exporter. Located strategically between Saudi Arabia and Iraq, Kuwait has capitalized on its natural resources since the discovery of oil in the 20th century. The Kuwaiti dinar was introduced in the early 1960s, initially pegged to the British pound before being re-pegged to an undisclosed basket of currencies. This shift allows for a degree of flexibility that has helped maintain its value against the dollar and other currencies. The Kuwaiti economy benefits from a strong fiscal position, low public debt, and a significant sovereign wealth fund, positioning the dinar as a robust currency in the global market. Which currency are you using now?